If you're searching for a dependable, stylish, and functional case for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the ESR hybrid case stands out as an excellent choice. One of its most impressive features is the powerful magnetic lock. With an incredible 1,500 grams of holding force, it ensures a firm and secure connection with MagSafe accessories. This means more efficient wireless charging, faster power-ups, and a strong hold for your accessories without worrying about accidental detachment. When it comes to protection, the ESR hybrid case delivers military-grade drop defense. Rigorously tested, it shields your device from potential damage caused by accidental drops and impacts. The specially engineered air guard corners provide additional shock absorption, reducing the chances of cracks or breakage. The case is designed to safeguard your phone's most vulnerable areas, its screen and camera. Raised edges and the camera guard feature help prevent scratches from daily use, ensuring your device remains in pristine condition. Whether in your pocket, bag, or on a rough surface, your phone stays protected. Aesthetically, the ESR hybrid case complements the sleek design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The scratch-resistant, crystal-clear acrylic back allows the phone's original beauty to shine through, making it an ideal choice for those who appreciate both protection and style. Beyond its design and durability, ESR provides excellent customer support. With detailed setup guides, FAQs, a 12-month protection plan, and lifetime support, they ensure you have the help you need. For those seeking a balance of security, style, and seamless MagSafe functionality, the ESR hybrid case is a top-tier option that delivers on all fronts.